Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Joint Forces seizes a pickup vehicle illegally transporting timber to Assam. For skills development, MMA fighter signs an agreement with Upgrade Management Group. Police forces busted a vehicle carrying crazy medicine tablets from Assam. And with an FIR launches Adelbert to capture the culprits behind the stolen public money. And now the news in detail. The members of FKJGP, AYWO and AGMA along with the patrolling staff of GHADC Forest Team Tura seized a mini pickup truck bearing registration vehicle number ML08J0322 near Grengandi under southwest Garo Hills for illegally transporting of timber log to the neighbouring state of Assam on the 9th of February 2023 at around 3:30 am without any valid pass. Soon after, the NGOs handed over the apprehended vehicle to the in-charge of Range Forest Officer GHADC Tura. Raymond Kurba, one of the few mixed martial arts fighter from Meghalaya, had signed an agreement with Upgrade Management Group from the United States with a vision to enhance his skills and alongside to provide leverage for his participation in the MMA Fighter Championship, being the largest platform with a professional title. This announcement by Raymond Kurba was held in Shillong Press Club in the presence of the media.
MMA fighter ba maju represent ya ka India ka senam abjad country cha South Africa ta mentah kini kenti biang yo kalat mo ba ka trials kini kita ibang adat and then ngalaya sign a contract for 1 year but kawai ka management team upgrade management team from Los Angeles and then kani ka management team kadi ba la head Julian and then kadi ka abun midon about around 60 fighters ibara na kani management team and then kibon lagi kiri UFC fighters and then ngaru ngayo limba way UFC fighter and then Rishon so he udah itu ba yarap yang ngapan yo ba kani ka team so I ngadon ba kani ka team upgrade management te mentag kalian ka management itu ide ini ba in charge yang Indonesia India so ngadi way ba sajid first time na India na Asia but kani ka team and then kani ka team mentag mau ngandon sa ngala mud management tabian ka pro level kabanlong kidan saudli ki promotion ki blawan ki bla approach mengi kade kawai kade EFC kawai kade ka Netherlands level kade na Netherlands kawai kade na South Africa kawai kade na Malaysia and then name step ngilangi.
On the 9th of February, the West Garo Hills police detained one pickup vehicle and had busted one of the biggest contraband smuggling in Garo Hills and seized Yabha tablets from the vehicle. According to the police, a Mahindra pickup vehicle was seen entering from Assam. The police started their routine checking in Rongsai outpost. They halted the pickup truck and started checking. On inspection, they found approximately 2 kgs of the Yabha tablets hidden inside the vehicle. On the 9th of February, Adelbert Nongrum, who is a VPP candidate from North Shillong constituency, filed a complaint in Sardar police station to expose the people involved in the vanishing of public money due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In addition, Adelbert Nongrum informed that while he was an MLA, he had asked explanations from the government on how much money did the central government sanctioned, and the answer was 76 crores. However, through the RTI from dispersing Rani, the central government sanctioned the state government up to 119 crores.
Ya, kamu wei na pring ki amali. Ti mentah pat kamu penpau bangawan ban launch kanika FIR ru kadai kamu responsible citizen. Kani ngaperken mau ba mentah kalakut tak ka tenya. Jon ka term hakaba umdon syu ka session house kanum don syuk ka session hak bangitip ka demokrasi kidon ka legislative ka executive pat ka judiciary ti hak ba nganut banong maka executive pat ka legislative kala feel jadi halo ka mangrim ngasani atli ka judiciary but ngawan halu ni ka por bangi scam na kaliang ka police department kan le la ka jong ka kamram at the areas nomor 8 kan mau menur lembaga kita ki sarkar polis ibong baman bangi don po ka kam misate ki kiti imla pantai dai lut tiga bang ngej scam mata nakaliang police department umdon ban interfere habde bar kan ka subject ka bangawan ra khmat bangi scam ka investigation kan sapau ki baro ba sei kan ka sau pulai klor kadon namar ngi ko abantip don kohok bar ko muwe na preng ginong song jong jala ngilai kan no jing jinjar ka jing sitom ka jing dono jing mensim babon ba ai tigi por jong covid-19 tigem kwa bain ka pisa jong pai ba in panokam bakla.
The President of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, Vincent H. Pala, on the 9th of February announced 5 commitments that Congress will put into force for the overall development of the people and the state. The commitments are as follows: to empower women, especially single mothers, by granting them with 3,000 financial assistance, which will cover 36,000 a year, to transform Meghalaya with abundance of employment, to lead away Meghalaya from corruption, to deal with the frequent disconnectivity of electricity, and to make Meghalaya a drug-free state. In addition, Pala exclaimed that he is ecstatic that Congress presently had members who are trustworthy and public-friendly. He claims that Congress party is now a clean party with no false leaders, but renewed leaders to bring a fair governing and administration.
Almost 60% of population are youth, and these youths are in a big challenge now. When we go door to door, we find that many of the parents used to cry when we visit them. When we say that what they want, they said, no, my son is in jail, or my son is giving a problem to us. Why? Because of the drugs. Meghalaya is now the biggest problem in India, next to Punjab last time. So, but Meghalaya is increasing day to day in terms of drugs. Drugs in the sense that drugs abuse, including alcoholic and others. We don't have enough rehabilitation center, but we keep on pumping alcohol, we keep on pumping retail outlet, we keep on pumping more and more by store. And also the Meghalaya is like almost a center for drugs coming from Bangladesh, drugs coming from different parts of our border in India.
Shempang Lungdo Mauplang inaugurates the KSU Mat Shaprang Khasi League Basketball Tournament 2023 on the 9th of February. A total number of 33 groups participated, with 8 groups from the girls and 25 groups from the boys. This tournament was held in Maulai Nongpedeng Basketball Court. The first match was for the women between LUSSCO and ONYX, with the former as the victor with 22-21 basket, whereas from the boys group, the match was between Dubak B and Put Muri A, with the latter as the winner with 73-41 baskets.
Habis berkata nak liang juga seng te ngimpat don kum kata ka cingtmu hendrai ke bangi pelong ya kan basketball hang ni pelangi kerman skam baki klub ke bopier hang ni po India kin pai kmat hang ni po ka jella ka jungi bad mentang i art lagi klub hang ni po ka jella ka jungi kata ka Shillong lebat bad ka telilang ki ba ki art lagi klub ki ba kampau bad nginget ma nak ni ka jing pelong ka jungi kin yo bani sementa hak ni ki klub bopier habis ni kau siap sampai kulai yapi kelap saya buat. Kalian jungi kum kaki simulasi kali ke jumpa belum. Dia kan ika basketball. Entahlah south nam ganti. Hak ban kau ni ika not out. Kali bitang semua mulai. Hadian benda. Hak ni lais nam benda. Hak ni asnam ladap nilai no ka macam perang Khasi League. Hak ba ngan ganti we samla Khasi dungi. Ba kan ika jing lakai basketball hang ni apa ka jalla ka jungi ka duna hadu kata. Kumbang ihi ba kisamla kan tayro mentang ihi le benis keman ha ka bakinya sementa kan dia jing lakai basketball kumbang ihi nak liang ni kum kasang hi ngem kwa ba kum ka jat benri ka jung ihi ngem su long tang kum kita ginung pet kai namang ni ba haki pat ki sport ni menakan ni beladap rung la pelong ya tu ka macam perang Khasi League kriket ha ka ban kunsular ban dia kisamla Khasi jungi se sebentar ya kan basketball ni kwa bagi samla khasi jongi baro makin mi shikmat makin bapeni ya kasap kajungki umdai ba makin syukur no lanir makin su kenrandian ani ban snow ko makin isam sampang mana ba kamda shong ya hakaran yang hendrai gari kajing tristam bar kajing lan dia te kajing pelam kajungi ya kan basketball ngikirman ba sisin kasgi kisamla kasi jungi kisami shikmat ha bakin yo ba yesham mentah ki tournament bahia ne por India ba ngikirman ba kan ni kan long shibenta kajing ai mesti makin tiaw ki kun samla jogaja jungi
38 Mendipathar constituency INC candidate Shri Timjim Momin had filed his nomination papers on the 6th of February. While speaking to the reporters, Timjim Momin informed that he hails from Mendi Salpara and completed his studies from Guwahati. He also announced that he is entering into the field of politics to bring development in the area, keeping aside the money and the power. He added that some political rivals are spreading false news against him, but he stands firm with his intention. He urged the people to be vigilant and wise in preserving news installed against him and his supporters.
Kasarang ni magupa rocharam bera talona de nasimang ang ni Indian National Congress ni 38 Mendipathar constituency candidate ungi chakatingan ko masingno anga Timjim Momin nunga anga Mendipathar salparauni ang ni magubaski bani kampo ka ay retire ha anga ang ni Master of Technology ko Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati ni ko machotpa ang ni politicianer ibani muksongani de thangkhana aro power na unja Ndiba da alo developmental gaps rang banga sector rong dunga education sector rong jamena health sector rong jamena skill development rong jamena agriculture sector rong jamena ba una agreba below poverty line family o donging pa nokdang ni mandirang ni nekani ko anchung da alo nekna kata maninga to di iya rang ko address kana kata da alo anchung nam chumotinga mena anchung mahat banga dini akan gumun ko nekna kata matna if you want to see the change be the change. Na adung thangani ko nukna kenchum ode na thangan dung thang chemoni agana. Uni unsa da alo anchum chadam berang ko nukna tamana. Bang patta chadam berangan dung thangani ko de nukna daska. Andiba antang ukok action plan ona ba kham mona sokna tani ah. Uni unsa da alo na sima angni background ko niate ni kenchum oba politically background jamena financially background jamena ang mamong badungja. Andiba antang ni khatuni skani ko Kaoksian baksa dangdegi udah sekali ko anga antang on kangeri bana ni muksongin bada alo nga yaja ko ainga.
As part of the National Integration Project under Military Civic Action, 35 number of differently able children and 4 staff members of Ferrando Rehab Center, Agartala, visited Raj Bhavan Shillong on the 8th of February as part of a tour organized by the 18 Assam Rifles. On behalf of the Governor of Meghalaya, Dr. B.D. Mishra, Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari, Commissioner and Secretary to the Governor, welcomed and extended the greetings of the Governor to the visitors and gave them a tour of the majestic grandeur of Raj Bhavan. To commemorate the visit, mementos were also distributed to the visiting students and staff members. The students are on a 6-day tour visiting places like Silchar, Guwahati and Shillong. During the tour, the students will visit places of interest like museums, war memorials, science cities and places of tourist attraction. To defeat the leader of the opposition party, Dr. Mukul Sangma from Songsak, Conrad K. Sangma arrived at Songsak in support of Nihim D. Shira, an NPP candidate. He berated Mukul Sangma for his ego has fallen flat on the ground when Congress appointed Vincent Pala as the president of MPCC. There has been a time when late Purno A. Sangma, the father of James and Conrad, sought refuge in Trinamool Congress and won the MP from AITC. Conrad added that Mukul Sangma had weakened the limbs of the opposition party by fleeing from the Congress, and now he is weakening AITC because majority of its members have fled to other political parties. The gathering was a difficult one for the public to digest since leaders are berating leaders in a hustle and tussle for power.
Dr. Mukul Dalo Tikiklanari Baude agreement sign ka na ng gina. Agreement to na makang sibya sungsak ko ba aro tikrikilaw ba by chance ganiyon biya siyode amode biya sungsak ko ni resign ka na ng gen ane agreement ko siya tinga tikrikila ni mandirang una nga man nakate sungsak ni mandirang ko ba di kaya kanas kinga Dr. Mukul Sangmari bay mong campaign ni somayo lecture ko no din ay samang sugbo. Nana election ni jakman no by chance na tikri kilaw ba ro sungsa ko ba ambodi. Nana tikri kilaw resign ka gen ma? Mana sungsa ko ni resign ka gen. Ikot sinakan chingbo. Aro tikri kilaw ni resign ka gen ya kano de le couch na shoot boy agreement sign ka bo. Ani na semani right to ka. Mana nesman dalo bina kasay bina bot court niya. Nalo biya. Tikri kilaw amani jakman no by chance ambodi. Naisimang ko biya gali katto de. Je mandirang bina kam ka achum. Je mandirang bina botkot achum. Branggen ba. Sabi ko ni rokken. Uni gaman sungsak area ni mandirang namme chanchina nang kene.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.